Welcome to Automatarium, the next-gen platform revolutionizing the way we explore formal languages and automata theory. Step into a modern, intuitive experience designed to empower your learning journey. Let's embark on a voyage into the core features and the magic behind Automatarium. In this tutorial, learn how Automatarium's innovative features make managing transitions simpler. To create a transition, start by selecting the Transition tool located in the left-hand toolbar. You can either click on a state to create a self-loop or drag the transition from one state to another. The inputs required for creating a transition vary depending on the project. For finite state automata, we only have to specify the transition's read value. In push-down automata, it's necessary to input the read value and the stack values to be popped and pushed. For Turing machines, we have to indicate the tape's read and write values, as well as the movement direction of the tape's head, either right, left, or stay. In Automatarium, Lambda represents the empty string. A transition has the value of Lambda by default. It allows the automaton to move from one state to another without reading any input. To edit a transition, right-click the transition that you wish to modify. A contextual menu will appear, providing the options to edit, flip, or delete. Let's select Edit and change this transition's input from B to C. To reverse the direction of the transition, select Flip. In case of an error in the endpoint of a transition, click on the transition needing correction. Circular markers will become visible at each end, allowing for adjustments by dragging them to the desired state. Clicking on the transition edge will highlight all transitions along that pathway. Right-click to access an option that allows for editing the transition group. The Transition Edge Editor enables us to change the values of the transitions, delete them by clicking X, or add new transitions swiftly. If we wanted to add multiple values at once, one option would be to use a range. Input the values within brackets. If we wanted to add multiple inputs but needed to be more specific than a range would permit, we could use logical OR operators, enabling the transition to accept any of the mentioned values. If you enter multiple values without the operators, the display will add them for you. Navigate to File Options to change the project's default OR operator, with various alternatives available for customization. Exclusion operators, represented by an exclamation mark, allow for the exclusion of specific values. They can precede a single character, a range, or parentheses that enclose values separated by ampersands. If our input is an exclamation mark followed by X, the transition will accept all values except X. With the close of this tutorial, your journey into the world of Automatarium is just beginning. Embrace the tools, the features, and the intuitive design that awaits you. Remember, every challenge in understanding is an opportunity for growth, and Automatarium is here to guide you through it. For more information, our contact details and a link to our GitHub repository can be found in the video description below.